Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touchscreen assembly on the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then proceed with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the tool and gently slide it around the phone to release the plastic clip securing the frame. Be careful when removing the back cover, as the fingerprint sensor is attached. Take out the back cover and then remove the logic board cover by undoing 7 screws. Once all screws are removed, use a pry tool to lift the cover. Next, disconnect the battery plug and free the fingerprint bracket, and then disconnect the fingerprint connector. Now the back cover can be fully separated from the phone's body. Next, pull out the battery from the body. First, disconnect the LCD plug from the logic board, and then fold the flex cable to 180 degrees. Next, apply heat to soften the adhesive on the battery using a heat gun. Be careful not to overheat the area. Once the adhesive is loosened, use a pry tool or similar tool to cut through the adhesive underneath the battery. And once there is enough space, switch to a wider pry tool to gently lift the battery. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, take out the logic board from the body. First, disconnect two antenna heads from the board and undo the screw holding the board. And then gently pull out the board using a tweezer. Next, pull out the vibrator motor by applying some heat. Next, pull out the speaker by applying some heat. Next, pull out the power volume flex by applying some heat. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 7 screws. Gently take out the cover using a pry tool. Next, disconnect the LCD plug and undo the screw holding the board. Next, gently pull out the charging board with antennas from the body. Next, pull out the speaker unit from the body. Now you can transfer the removed components into the new screen frame. When selecting a replacement part, there are several types available. The most common option is the original service pack screen, which includes the frame. Another option is the original screen but without the frame. But installing is more complex and time consuming. And also there are issues with the durability. Also there are refurbished, used and aftermarket screens. I recommend choosing a screen that comes with the frame. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket. This type is widely available and makes the repair process much easier. Next, on the new screen frame, begin reinstalling the removed components. First, secure the speaker. Next, place a charging and headphone jack port in the body and then secure it by adding the screw. Next, fasten the LCD plug and secure antennas in the frame slot. Next, secure the speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the power volume flex. Next, secure the vibrator motor. Next, secure the speaker. Next, gently place the logic board in the body and then secure the board by adding the screw. Next, connect both antenna heads to the board. Next, secure the battery with adhesive. Next, fasten the LCD plug to the logic board. Next, secure the fingerprint plug and the bracket. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, secure the logic board cover by adding 7 screws. Next, before closing the device, always turn on the device for testing. Finally, press the back cover firmly into the place and slide along the edges to lock the clip securely. And also insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.